Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best mirror dash cam review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. C10 Mirror Dash Cam. The C10 Dash Cam comes with a 9.88-inch IPS touchscreen, which is bright, responsive and easy to use. You can swipe left, right, up and down to adjust camera angles smoothly. Despite being packed with features, the design stays sleek and fits perfectly over your existing rearview mirror. This dash cam supports wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. You simply connect your phone via Bluetooth and it automatically switches to Wi-Fi for high-speed data. The night vision on this dash cam is impressive. Even in low-light conditions, the footage stays bright and clear. Thanks to the upgraded image sensor, it captures more details without noise or blurring. This gives you a wide-angle, real-time view, even in rain, fog, or nighttime. When you shift into reverse, the camera automatically switches to a closer backup view, showing guidelines to help you park safely. If you purchase the GPS module, you can record the driving route, speed, and location later. You can view everything using the GPS playback software, a great feature for road trips or professional drivers. It supports Class 10 micro SD cards from 16 GB up to 128 GB. The built-in battery is very small, so the device works only when connected to a charger, which is normal for mirror dash cams. So overall, the C10 4K Mirror Dash Cam is a fantastic upgrade for any car, especially if you want a smart display, wireless CarPlay/Android Auto and crystal clear 4K recording. The combination of strong night vision, high-speed Wi-Fi, and parking protection makes it a powerful all-in-one solution. Number 4. Totting C10 Mirror Dash Cam. The Totting C10 replaces your original rearview mirror with a sleek 10-inch IPS touchscreen. It features a 2.5D full-screen design, which means it's smooth, curved at the edges and scratch-resistant. The touch response is super quick. You can swipe up, down, left and right to adjust the viewing angle of the rear camera and switch between display modes. This dash cam records in full HD 1080 pixel from both the front and rear cameras. The front camera uses a 6-layer glass lens with a 170 degrees wide-angle view, and the rear camera gives you 140 degrees coverage with IP67 waterproof protection. The C10 performs even better thanks to its Starlight night vision sensor. It reduces glare, handles strong lights well, and gives you a clean, bright image even in low-light environments. The display automatically switches to a wide-angle full-screen reversing image. The auxiliary guidelines help you back up safely, avoid blind spots, and prevent parking accidents. The TOTNG dash can work 24/7, even when the engine is turned off. This mode is perfect for security monitoring your car overnight or while parked in public places. The touch controls are responsive, the footage quality is reliable, and the rear streaming media gives a wider, safer view compared to a standard mirror. Installation is simple. Just strap it onto your existing mirror, plug in the power cable and mount the rear camera. So overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly dash cam that boosts safety, visibility and recording quality, this dash cam is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Axio Mirror Dash Cam. The Axio Dash Cam records 1080 pixel Full HD from both the front and the rear cameras. The front camera uses a 6-glass lens with a wide 170 degrees angle, f/1.8 aperture and a 2MP sensor. The rear camera gives you a 140 degrees angle with a 2-megapixel sensor as well with WDR and enhanced night vision technology. Both cameras produce clear footage even in low-light conditions. This is perfect for nighttime driving or dark parking areas. When enabled, the mirror display becomes a live stream from the camera, giving you a wider and clearer view than a traditional mirror. The G-sensor automatically locks emergency footage during sudden impacts, and loop recording ensures your memory card is always used efficiently. The dash cam supports Class 10 micro SD cards from 16 GB up to 128 GB. Make sure to use a quality brand so the recordings stay smooth. In real-world use, the menu is simple, the touchscreen responds well, and switching between front and rear views is quick. The display is bright even in daylight and the camera angles cover your blind spots effectively. The internal battery is very small, it only saves settings and time. Always use the provided power cable for operation. It's 1080 pixel, not 2K or 4K, but for the price, the performance is solid. So overall, the C10 Mirror Dash Cam is a great choice if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-install dash cam with dual 1080 pixel recording, night vision, parking assist, and a modern touchscreen interface. Number 2. Aliexpress Mirror Dash Cam. The Aliexpress Dash Cam captures video in 4K Ultra HD. Thanks to the Sony IMX415 Super Sensor, night vision is incredibly clear, perfect for low-light or nighttime driving. Your footage stays sharp, detailed, and reliable no matter the conditions. This dash cam allows you to connect your smartphone wirelessly using either CarPlay or Android Auto. That means you can access Google Maps, Spotify, phone calls, messages, navigation, all from the mirror display, hands-free and distraction-free. The dash cam to your car speakers using the built-in FM transmitter. Simply match the FM frequency between your car and the dash cam and you can play music or navigation audio through the car's speakers with built-in Wi-Fi. You can connect your phone, you can adjust settings, view recordings, and even download footage without removing the SD card. If you choose the kit with the rear view camera, the mirror automatically switches to the reversing view when you put the car in reverse. You can adjust angles like up/down, narrow, or wide to suit your parking style. In real use, the touch display is responsive, the UI is smooth, and the video quality is excellent. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto both connected quickly and worked perfectly. So overall, the Aliexpress Mirror Dash Cam is a powerful upgrade for any car, especially if you want smart features, high-quality recording, and convenience in one device. Number 1. C10 Mirror Dash Cam. The C10 Dash Cam comes with a 10.26-inch smart monitor that looks modern, slim, and clean. One thing I really like is that it's designed not to block your forward vision with its adjustable telescopic bracket. You can place it on your dashboard without interrupting your driving view. The display is sharp, bright, and perfect for navigation and live video. Show image of new upgrade 4K smart monitor. It also supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can use apps like Maps, Spotify, YouTube Music, or WhatsApp completely hands-free. The GPS module connected, you get Google Maps, live traffic updates, multiple route planning, congestion warnings, and more. You can play back your driving history using the GV Player app. Just download the app and you'll be able to review your entire driving route. It also comes with fast and stable Bluetooth, so you can make hands-free calls or play music directly through the device, and thanks to built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, connecting to your phone is super fast. You can instantly view real-time footage or download recorded videos using the app. The C10 Dash Cam includes 24-hour parking monitoring. If someone hits your car, tries to break in, or if any movement is detected, the camera automatically starts recording. Overall, the C10 Dash Cam truly feels like a full smart monitor for your car, not just a simple dash cam. You get 4K clarity, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS, reversing camera, high-speed Wi-Fi, and continuous parking surveillance.